Why jingle bell inna your belly, jingle bell inna your belly, make bad man. Jingle bell inna your belly, jingle bell inna your belly. Me I wonder if you catch my drift. Your body I'm a Christmas gift.
Hey sugar plums, how are you guys doing? Welcome to Vlogmas day. Oh god. But welcome to Vlogmas day. Is today the 20th? Oh my god, wait. Today's Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Oh my god, today's the 20th. Oh my god, it's 5 more days till Christmas. Oh my god, it's 5 more days till Christmas. Are you guys ready for Christmas? Raise your hands if you're ready for Christmas, because I am not ready. Well, but I do love my makeup today. Let me just turn on my light a little bit here. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, December the 20th. And I had a great day today, actually. It's still not plugged in. I'm so dumb. Boom. Biatch, yes. Let's talk about this makeup. Ooh, I have a video I need to record actually, and I'm just here like flying around. But I kind of want this to flatten down. Either my sister has to fix this first or whatever. I don't like how it's jerking up. I just feel like my eyebrows today were like super perfect. And that little glow, oh yes, bitch. Talk to me a couple years ago. What was makeup brush? What was contour? What was powder? What was foundation? Wouldn't never know nothing about them something there. Yeah, as I was saying, it's Wednesday and I just got in. I feel like all I do is talk to you guys, but I don't do anything during the week, like, and then it makes sense I'm gonna carry you guys with me everywhere I go, because yeah, it's gonna be the same thing over and over and over and over and over again. But I have the stuff for my boss's basket, so I'm gonna put that stuff together. See, here I have some stuff. I'm making like a food kind of basket thing for him because he loves his what would I say? I'm doing like chocolates, jams, like spreads, chocolates, nuts, those type of things, because anytime I look in his drawer, like he always has like some sort of nuts in there, or like something kind of sweet or whatever. So I'm doing that for him. I didn't want to I hate giving guys like body washes and stuff like that. I just don't like giving people really like body washes and stuff like that, because I just feel like girls maybe yes, but guys and for my boss I don't feel like that's appropriate. So I figured this gift basket was the easiest way to go. Plus he doesn't celebrate Christmas, so yeah, but it's just like a thank you for, like, you know, a great year or whatever. So I'm about to put that together, and then the gift that I have for my supporter, I'm gonna start to put that together as well too, or try to at least. That's about it. I just got in for my sisters. I had to drop off some bagels that I got from work there. And yeah, so I'm just gonna work right now and try to assemble this thing. So let me see if I can get my tripod, and then y'all can assemble this thing with me. Okay, hold on, let me try to put this thing together. So I got this cute little wooden basket. Food stuff here. So anyways, I tried to personalize it by putting his name on it. And I put this in here just so, like, you can't see the stuff, right? So put this in here so that when I put the stuff, it's right at the top. Yes. Yo, you guys, I'm like an OCD freak, like when it comes to like things being perfectly done, like for my work. Yes, absolutely. I bought this ribbon thing. I want to use it. I don't know if I should use it to tie it or if I should use it for like around the basket. I kind of want this to be up, so we shall see. This could be tied like a cute little bow, no? Let's see. Yeah, that's cute. So this is initially what I was thinking, like tying it around like that. Maybe that's too girly. Oh my gosh, you guys, let me tell you. So today, right? We went to visit the companies that we work with, right? So we went to this one company that we recently just started working with, and remember the one that I was telling you guys that they wanted like the 30 people or whatever. So yeah, so we went there today to drop off like little gifts or whatever for all of the companies that we're currently working with. So we stopped by there and I met the lady or whatever, and like it was like, oh my god, Zoe, hi, whatever. And like she showed us around the place and stuff like that, just so we can have a better understanding of the company and what they do and all of that stuff, so that when we're recruiting people, we can tell them exactly what they're going to be doing, right? And we're done now with the tour and stuff like that, and we're getting ready to leave, and we're saying our goodbyes or whatever. She was like, to my boss, she was like, this girl, she's like, I called so many other employment agencies to get their assistance, and like they couldn't tell me what their fees were, what it covered, like about the company, why we should hire them or whatever. She was like, this girl, she's like, she did not let me come off of the phone before I knew anything. She asked questions, she answered all of my questions, and provided me with even more information that I was not even aware of. She was like, when it comes to answering emails, she's so prompt, she answers them right away. She like, if she doesn't have what she needs, like at least she'll let you know. Like her communication is great. She's like, when she calls back or whatever the case may be. And he was like, whoa, like okay, like what? I was like, yes girl. She's like, she did not pay me to say this. She's like, but honestly, like speaking with her and like dealing with her, like it's so like I know I know I'm gonna get some good stuff. So I was like, girl, you said this at the right time, because Goody didn't get her bonus. Yes, well, that added on an extra couple dollars. But like it was such a good day, and then like he bought me lunch and stuff like that and stuff like that. Like my boss is so cool, you guys don't even know, like, and like we just laugh all day. Like my job is so chill. We just laugh all day long. Like we laugh at the people that come in. No offense, but some of them are just like what are you doing here? Like what is your real purpose? What's the point of you coming here? You're not serious about work. Like don't come looking for work if you're not serious about work. We get so much people that come in there and look for work, and when we get jobs and we call them, it's like, oh, it's too far, or well, I don't know. And then you have all these weirdo people that are coming into the workplace now that are looking for work. Like, do you guys understand that Christmas is in 5 days? Who's open on Christmas? A lot of places are closed during the holidays too, so like I don't understand where you guys are really expecting to go. But anyways, yeah. So that was my day. We went and visited a lot of the companies and stuff, so I got to meet a lot of people face to face, which was really, really good, because now I can put a face to a lot of them when I'm emailing or when I'm calling them and stuff. And like so many of them didn't look like what I expected them to look like. You ever have that, like when you talk to people over the phone or over email and you never met them before, and then when you meet them in real life, it's like, this is what you look like? But I'm pretty sure that's what they were thinking about me too, because it's not a lot of black people out there that are named Zoe. So when they see me, they're like, oh, she's black. It's like, oh my god, she's a black girl. I'm like, so this this is where we have reached so far. That's cute. Yes, goody. This is where we have reached so far. Like, I'm so like, I'm so creative. Like, yes, look at that. Oh my god. Mama didn't raise no food. I can't wait till 2018. Not that I'm waiting for 2018, but that's when a lot of the stuff starts in 2018. So guys, before I was rudely interrupted, and I only have 9 minutes, I gotta start editing. I think I'm gonna edit, but anyways, I'm gonna put these onto some skewers and tie them so that they can kind of pop up. Yeah, you get the drift. But this is what the basket looks like. If you guys are in Toronto and you guys need gifts, favors, a decorator for your next events, holla at me. I will put my information, my Instagram page to my business on the screen, and I'll leave a link in the description box below. You guys go check out All Wrapped Up and support your girl. Okay, support a small black business. I will be expanding in 2018. I will be coming with my business. Now I'm gonna do this and come back and show you the finished product. Okay, bye.
Just like when Christmas a come.